Welcome back to the channel. I'm Rochelle. This is Brampton Gardener, and today we are going to be doing a bunch more of the 2-inch soil blocks and potting up some of my beautiful little seedlings. So we are going to start with these boot trays. This is what I like to use. This is what I like to use for the 2-inch blocks. It is a bit sunny out here, so bear with me, but it's absolutely beautiful. It's like 50, probably 53 by now, and we're gonna get these babies going. So like I've mentioned before, when doing the soil blocking, you really need a flat surface to work on. So I'm actually just going to put a bunch of this dirt onto here. I mixed it up in here with some warm water. I use hot water just straight out from the tap, and helps it just moistens it up a lot faster. So you probably can't even. Okay, so I got my 3 trays done with the large soil block. It's really bright out here, so I can't really see what you're seeing. So hopefully we're all right and we're not too crooked or anything. So here are all my beautiful seedlings. And you can see some trays are doing better than others. Hi, did I wake you up? Dexter's been napping. You all right? Yeah. So what we're going to be doing is I'm just going to start potting up into these soil blocks. I don't know how many more I might need. I believe there's some trash talking going on. I'm not sure what's being said. I think it's probably a good thing I don't know what's being said. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to start with some of these other ones that are really big and need to get moved on, and then the petunias and whatever can get kind of dealt with in a minute. So I'm going to actually let them get a little bit of sun for now, and it looks like I'm going to have to prune some of these back. They're getting starting the petunias. So I have petunias here, 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 and here. So I think I'm going to start with these ones, get them out of here first, and look at, look at these. Do you see? They're getting buds. So I'm going to pot these up, and then I'm probably going to prune them off. So this tray is going to go back up into the grow room. And I don't know if I'm going to put my lobelia on there or not. Oh, no, right. Alright, so this is the burgundy petunias. Look at them. Aren't they gorgeous? So here's the soil blocks. And I'm just going to start separating them. I think it's got a tray to put them in. Okie dokie. So remember when I just sprinkled the seeds on? I have more than just one per soil pot. Remember when I said I might regret this when I was potting up? That might be today. Let me see. Oh my god. It felt really short. Well, it is what it is. This table is a little short for standing, but it's a little high for sitting. I feel ridiculous. I feel like a toddler. Okay, so this shows you the size difference. Do you see this whole side of this tray is now taking up what used to fit in here? Okay, that is what makes, see, you can see on there, yeah, that is what makes soil blocks amazing. So in this little tray, I said I had started, I think 40 seeds, and I ended up with 47. Okay, so this is going to be the burgundy. And I'm going to make a label. Get the tickled pink climbing petunias in first. They're the only ones, they're just the one row. These pink ones are going to stay, they're really tiny, and the lobelia is going to stay for now. The lime bicolor, these are gorgeous. So these are the black dragon coleus. And that tray is full, and I have no more room to put any more coleus in there. So the ones that are left that are tiny, we're just going to put them on the tray with the petunias. Here's planting from the other day. It's looking really good. We're on our way out to check out the greenhouse. Let's see what I got done today. All right, so everything's looking a little sad because it just got all transplanted, but there is a whole row of petunias, 3 different kinds of petunias there. I have the burgundy, the lime bicolor, and the tickle pink. Then I have 3 trays of my canna lilies. Here's the other bin. I have this other bin here. So this is kind of a mix of things. This had some eggplant, some peppers, my beautiful, beautiful hibiscus, mahogany splendor hibiscus. I have a few crocuses, cosmos, the grasses, just kind of a random things. This is the purple balsam. It's really pretty. That one's a lot bigger than those two, so they need to get more light. And then up here, these guys are looking really sad. I did water them all in though, so they'll perk up. They'll be just fine. But this is the tray of coleus and the other petunias. And then these guys are going to be going out front soon, but not quite yet. I don't have anything else to go with them, so they're just going to sit in here and hang out. And those guys don't need to have a ton of light. They're just getting started now. And then over here, I potted up my Jewels of Opar. They got put into some more soil blocks. I have a few extra large soil blocks there if I want to put anything else in there, but I wasn't really sure what else to put in there yet. These are all cold hardy, so these are all going to get, I'm going to start hardening them off tomorrow, not in the rain, but the next few days they're going to start getting hardened off and they can go outside. So we have the scabiosa, parsley, African daisies, and bok choy, red shisho, and this is the pink amaranth. It's so, I mean, how fabulous is that? And then lettuce, so this can get potted up soon. And then I have my planters over here that I did the other day, and I have more of them here. So this is my Olapoka, and then I have my loofahs, and then I have this container here. So I'm happy I decided to stack them, because I mean it's only taking up, you know, this small footprint, whereas if I had them all in small containers it would take up a lot more. But I mean, yeah, it's looking really sad, so I'm giving it enough water. It'll take a couple days for them to bounce back. That one's looking really weak though, really pathetic. Which that one? Bahaha. Oh no. Well, we'll water it in good. Thank you so much for watching. It's been an amazing day out here. I got so much done, and next up I think I gotta start some more seeds. So see you next time. Bye.